Hello, students. I hope you all are fine and enjoying your holidays safely. I know that the situations are not safe at our surrounding. May God keep you safe and you should also be careful. So, students, as we all know that we can't go to school, so school came to you to teach you at your place. I am Asha Mary, your English teacher, came to you to teach you important chapter. So without any delay, let's get started. All know that when we were kids, we have started our learning with A, B, C, D, E, F. And we all know that we call them alphabets as well as letters. And when we join these letters, it becomes a word like A P P L E apple, BANANA banana, ORANGE orange. So here we knew that when we join these letters, it becomes a word. So now when we join these words like apple is my favorite fruit. So here are five words. Apple is my favorite fruit. So there are many words, and when we join these words, it becomes a sentence. So here we knew that when we join letters, it becomes a word, and when we join words, it becomes a sentence. Today we are going to learn about sentences. Students, now we are going to learn the definition of sentence. A sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense. It's called a sentence. So here we can divide this definition in two parts. Sentence is a group of words. Group of words means it should have many words, more than one or two words, then it will be sentence. And then second part says makes complete sense. It should be meaningful. Suppose like here we are taking one sentence. Taj Mahal is a beautiful monument. So if we write this sentence, a beautiful is Taj Mahal monument. So it is group of words, but we can't say it a sentence because it is meaningless. It is not conveying any meaning to the sentence. So that's why it is not a sentence. Okay, okay, students. So here we knew that sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense. A sentence should be more than one or two words and it should be meaningful. We come to its types of sentences. There are mainly four types of sentences in your book. First is declarative sentences, second is imperative sentences, third is interrogative sentences, fourth is exclamatory sentences. Declarative sentences ends with a full stop. Imperative sentences end with a full stop. Interrogative sentence ends with question mark. Exclamatory sentences end with an exclamation mark. Now we come to its first type, that is declarative sentence. Declarative sentences are also known as assertive sentences. These type of sentences are used to make a statement or to tell something or to say something. When we say or tell something to anyone, these type of sentences are called declarative sentences. For example, when I tell to my friend, London is a wonderful city. So in this sentence, I am telling him that London is a wonderful city. Here, I am not asking any question, and here I am not giving any order or request. Here I am just telling to my friend that London is a wonderful city. Our next example is the earth moves around the sun. Here also I am telling to my friend that the earth moves around the sun. So the sentences in which we make statement or tell something or say something, these type of sentences are called declarative or assertive sentences. So our next type is imperative sentences. Imperative sentences are the sentences in which we state a command or request. So students, when we give any order to someone or when we make any request or give any command to someone, so these type of sentences are called imperative sentences. For example, clean up your room. In this sentence, you can see order is there. And next sentence, do your homework please. So, please is there. It means request is there. So, in the definition, you can see that when we make any request and when we give order, these type of sentences are called imperative sentences. And declarative sentences and imperative sentences always ends with full stop. Now here you will ask to me that ma'am, what are the difference between these both sentences, declarative and imperative sentences, because both sentences are ending with a full stop. So here let me tell you that if the sentence is giving an order or making a request, then the sentence will be imperative sentence, otherwise the sentence will be declarative sentence. Okay students. Students, our next type is interrogative sentences. Interrogative sentences are always used to ask question. The sentences in which we ask question like how are you, where are you going, in which class do you read. So these type of sentences are called interrogative sentences. And we already know that we can ask question by two ways. If the the answer of the question is given in yes or no, then we will put helping verb at the first, and if the answer is given in a sentence, then we will use WH family at the first. If the Okay, students. So there are two ways to make any sentence interrogative by putting WH family at the first if the answer is given in the sentence, and if the answer is given in yes or no, then we will put helping verb at the first. For example, how do you play this game? So here, how do you play this game? तुम ये गेम कैसे खेलते हो? So here the person to whom you are asking question, he will give answer however he plays the game. In next sentence, do you go out for a walk every day? Yes. He will give the answer in yes or no. That's why I told you that if the answer is given in yes or no, we will put helping verb at the first. If the answer is given in the sentence, then we will use WH family at the first. So, and interrogative sentences are always ends with a question mark. Okay, students. So students, now we come to its fourth type, that is exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentences are always used to express your strong feeling. When you express your strong feeling and sudden feeling, these type of sentences are called exclamatory sentence. For example, what a beautiful flower. So here you are expressing your feeling. When you saw a beautiful flower, then you said these words, what a beautiful flower. Here you are expressing your feeling. So that's why this sentence is exclamatory sentence. Our next example is, hooray, we have won the match. So this is also your strong feeling. When you have won the match, then suddenly the feeling came to you to, hooray, we have won the match. So that's why the definition says that exclamatory sentences are used to express your strong and sudden feeling, and exclamatory sentences are always ends with an exclamation mark.